In this video, we are going to see how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos in a minute with AI. Let's start it. Go to chatgpt.com and just give a prompt called generative prompt to paste and create a YouTube thumbnail on your video title on other website. It will give you a lot of things like visual elements, text, and also style background. But in your case, we are going to paste this prompt on other website. So generate a prompt to paste on your other website. Just copy this image description and head towards AI generator website called Ideogram. Sign up with your email address and just paste here. And make sure to click on realistic and don't forget to select 16:9 ratio to generate YouTube thumbnails. Within a fraction of seconds, you will get 4 thumbnails inside of your screen. So you can select them and you can download them and use in your videos. Like this. In this scenario, I am going to have a video called how to delete Google history. These all the images I got generated from this website. To download these thumbnails, just click on these 3 lines and click on download and select JPEG. To edit and modify anything, you can do it if you have a knowledge in Photoshop as well. Like this, you can generate YouTube video thumbnails within a second or within a minute.